What's up YouTube? Today's install video is in collaboration with Burnz Auto, my sponsor, and we're going to be installing the awesome carbon fiber steering wheel. This one comes with the red ring, carbon fiber top, carbon fiber bottom, and leather grips. I'm excited. Let's get this install video going, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. So very first thing is unplug your battery, at least the ground, just to deactivate your airbag. You don't want that blowing up in your face. The install process should be fairly easy. You will have about 3 of these little holes right here, one out here on this right side, one on the left, and there's one on the bottom right here. Pop that clip out. So let's get that going. And it releases this. So I just did this one. I'm gonna do all 3, and then we're gonna pull this airbag out. All right guys, so now we're gonna pull the airbag out. Again, like I said, we have disconnected the battery because this can be a little intense, a little scary for some people, but you should be fine. We're gonna unhook this one right here. So these right here, I'll show you guys, they have like a little clip that you need to press before pulling. Now we got to pop these guys out, and I assume you guys that you can just pop these open like this. Boom. So this one's up, this one's up. Popped one, and then pop 2. When we put this on the new wheel, we'll go ahead and make sure we connect these right. So our next step is going to be unscrewing the 17mm ratchet and bolt for the center screw. We got to take this off so we can then pull the steering wheel off. Now, one thing you want to remember though, you need to make sure that your centered wheel does not get lost in the mix. So if you have a Sharpie down your center, and then that way when you install your new wheel, you can go ahead and set it in its place. We have our 17mm socket and our ratchet fits there. So lefty loosey. Now I brought one of these here to help me out with leverage. It's just a stick that I'm gonna stick in here, and that way I can have leverage to unscrew this. So here we go. Super easy. I probably didn't even need that. So we're gonna go ahead and unscrew this. Now for my own safety, I'm just gonna loosen up the bolt just enough so I can just pull this off and it doesn't hit me in the face. So here we go, and there it goes. So now we can remove the bolt. We have it out. Don't lose that. And now you can take the wheel off. Those right there are the clips that need to pop out this way. See how they move? So when you go through that hole, that's what you're looking for. The clip right there. It's the one that moves this guy right here. So those are the 3 clips. It's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now what we're gonna do is unscrew this Phillips screw in here so we can detach the rest of the compartments of this wheel and attach it to the new wheel. So get that done. We flip this over now. You will see that there's 2 more screws with Phillips that you need to take off in order for your controllers to be ejected. So let's do those. So anyways guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and put all these pieces into the new wheel and put it back on the car. one thing I almost forgot to change from this old wheel was these clips. So these clips are necessary to put into the new wheel in order to make sure that your airbag locks in. Alright guys, so now that we have swapped everything, all the controllers and my little piano black STI emblem onto my new steering wheel, we're gonna go ahead and place it where we marked the spot on the center, and then we can go ahead and connect everything else, all the plugs here, and then we'll go ahead and mount the airbags, okay? So there you have it guys. The airbag just clicked back on onto those clips that I swapped from the old wheel, and our wheel is sturdy, it's clean, nice and thicker than the OEM, and I am loving it so far guys. I want to hook the battery back on, test out my horn, and then check all the controllers that I have here, make sure everything's working, and then that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, submit those DM pictures of your car so I can feature it on this channel. Thanks again.